More than 4 years after this attack in Ocean Beach, the civil case is finally over. A judge recently awarded the victim more than $700,000. I've stayed in touch with the victim over the years and followed through with Kobe Law's message today.
Just leave.
This has played over and over in Kobe Law's mind since it happened in Ocean Beach the summer of 2021. How have the last few years been for you?
It's been definitely a ride. It's been a very long time corresponding with the court and lawyers and everything like that, as well as just living normal everyday life.
He was just 22, excited to be with friends for the first time since restrictions were relaxed during the pandemic. But their celebration came to an end when a man approached them claiming Kobe and his friends stole his spot. Kobe said they could share, but the man returned with a group of friends and attacked them, yelling racial slurs. We blurred the video because at the time it was released, we couldn't identify all the people in it and nobody was facing criminal charges. So the initial incident, how have you processed that over the years?
Ultimately, it was just a jumble of emotions that should have never happened. You know, I was a lot younger back then, but even now I still feel that it could have and should have been avoided.
I first spoke to Kobe about a week after the attack.
When I went to brush my teeth, I realized I couldn't move my mouth, and it hurt whenever I tried to put my toothbrush in my mouth, and it was still bleeding from the night before.
Kobe suffered several facial fractures and underwent jaw surgery. Prosecutors ultimately charged Gabriel Ramos with assault. In 2023, a judge sentenced him to probation. During that hearing, he spoke to Kobe directly.
I apologize from the bottom of my heart to the plaintiff, Kobe Law. It was stupid, it was childish, it was disrespectful.
After the criminal case, Kobe filed a civil lawsuit. That's when we sat down with Kobe again and his girlfriend, who was also at the beach that day.
Even now, I still feel like I need to look over my shoulder.
Following through with Kobe all these years, it's clear the toll this has taken emotionally.
It definitely affected me to see the average person a little bit more negatively, a little bit more cautious of what they can do to me.
And physically.
I'm still numb on this section of my lip.
Recently, a judge awarded Kobe more than $763,000. His civil case finally finished.
I felt very, very relieved that all of this is over and that we can, move on.
To this day, Kobe doesn't hang out at the beach, but there was one positive that came out of all of this.
It also did strengthen my bond with a lot of my friends.
What is your main message to people now that the case is finally done?
If you see something, you should always say something. Whether it be not me, but someone watching this all go down. I'm very thankful for the person that actually stood up and came to intervene.
And to his attacker?
I really hope you learned your lesson. I hope this was a wake-up call for you, that you know now that things like this should never be tolerated, should not even be thought about, for other people to learn from you as well.
And thank you to Kobe for being so gracious over the years. Kobe and his girlfriend, they are still together. They are stronger than ever. I did reach out to Ramos and his attorney. The attorney declined to comment. Now, if you have a story idea for me, you can send me an email, melissa.masiha@10news.com, or you can scan that QR code there on your screen. I cover AAPI communities, consumer issues, education, as well as utilities.